Hello guys! So in this video, we will discuss the Binance Referral Code. So for those of you who want to register for Binance, you can use this code U20S3HEE to get a 20% commission or a discount on the gas fee, a fee discount of 20%. Here, I will explain the function of the Binance code for friends who don't understand yet. So we know that trading platforms like Binance or crypto and so on, they can earn income, one of which is from fees or trading costs incurred by traders like us. So when we trade on the Binance app, we will be charged a fee. Well, there are levels here, friends. There's VIP1, VIP2, regular user, which is usually where people are, regular user. So the gas fee is around 0.075% or 0.075%. Yes, overall around 0.1%, friends. Well, from here, that 0.1% should be 100% belonging to Binance. However, not if you use that referral code. We know here there is 20/20, so Binance from 100% will decrease to 60%. Well then here there are 3 divisions, where initially this only belonged to Binance. Now 3 people receive that fee. So Binance will get 60, reduced by 40%. Binance is reduced by 40%, 20% for your user, and 20% for the code provider friends. So this is a mutualistic symbiosis. Everyone benefits. You will get a discount or fee reduction every time you trade, and the code provider will receive a commission. So overall, for those of you who don't know the function of the Binance referral code, that's how it is. Besides that, you can also get several active campaigns, like this gasless mint weekend, then enjoy 11% APR and so on. And there is also an exclusive campaign that I have already included in it. Okay, so that's it for the Binance referral code. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to use the code because it benefits you too. See you!